Ducati DesertX. The Ducati DesertX is a purpose-built adventure motorcycle designed for challenging terrains. Featuring a powerful 937 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, lightweight design, 223 kilograms dry weight, and a long travel suspension system, 230 millimeters front and rear travel, for comfort and control over rough terrain. It includes spoked wheels with tubeless tires for excellent off-road handling. Packed with features like a full LED lighting system, a Brembo braking system, and rider assistance systems, Bosch cornering, ABS, and Ducati traction control, the DesertX ensures visibility, powerful stops, and confidence on the trail. With a 21-liter fuel tank, it extends your range, making it suitable for both seasoned off-road riders and those starting their adventure riding journey. The Ducati DesertX is a capable and versatile motorcycle ready to fulfill your adventure dreams. Lazareth LMV 496. The Lazareth LMV 496 is a groundbreaking vehicle that defies traditional categorization, morphing from a high-performance motorcycle into a flying machine with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Its unique powertrain, featuring compact yet powerful jet engines in each wheel, allows for disguised use on the road and deployed use for flight. This innovative design offers exceptional versatility, enabling the LMV 496 to cruise on the highway at speeds up to 130 miles per hour and reach a maximum altitude of 10,000 feet. The vehicle boasts advanced features such as lightweight carbon fiber construction, advanced avionics for secure piloting, and a luxurious interior with premium materials. With its groundbreaking technology, the Lazareth LMV 496 symbolizes the future of transportation, erasing the boundaries between road and sky and offering a new dimension of freedom and adventure. Verge TS Pro. The Verge TS Pro is a high-performance electric motorcycle designed for discerning enthusiasts. Powered by a powerful 78-kilowatt, 105-horsepower electric motor delivering instant torque of 1,000 Newton-meters, it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds, boasting a top speed electronically limited to 200 kilometers per hour. Balancing power with agility, the motorcycle features a lightweight design, 229 kilograms, and low center of gravity, coupled with adjustable Olin suspension for stability on diverse terrains. In addition to its impressive performance, the TS Pro offers a range of features, including 4 driving modes, advanced regenerative braking for energy efficiency, and a customizable digital instrument cluster. Featuring premium materials, the motorcycle provides a luxurious and refined riding experience. It symbolizes Verge's commitment to redefining the electric motorcycle experience, offering a powerful, sustainable, and innovative riding experience. BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 is a revolutionary concept motorcycle that envisions a future where motorcycles become extensions of the rider, offering a highly connected and immersive experience. Its futuristic design, powered by a zero-emission electric drivetrain, delivers exceptional agility and handling. Featuring advanced rider assistance systems, including self-balancing technology and a smart visor, the motorcycle represents BMW Motorrad's vision for a cleaner, safer, and more connected future in motorcycling. Boasting a zero-emission electric powertrain, a top speed limited to 200 kilometers per hour, acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds, and a range of 300 kilometers, the BMW Motorrad Vision. Next 100 is more than just a machine. It's a faithful companion, unlocking a future of unparalleled riding experiences. Hydra Concept Motorcycle. The Hydra Concept motorcycle is a futuristic two-wheeled marvel that makes a striking visual and environmental statement. Its sleek design is powered by a hydrogen fuel cell powertrain, boasting adaptive suspension, an integrated heads-up display, biometric authentication, self-balancing capability, and smart connectivity. More than just transportation, the Hydra symbolizes a future where motorcycles are clean, efficient, and technologically advanced, offering an unparalleled and exhilarating riding experience. Key specifications include a hydrogen fuel cell powertrain, a top speed limited to 250 kilometers per hour, acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds, and a range of 500 kilometers. The Hydra Concept motorcycle provides a glimpse into the transformative future of motorcycling, where machines become adventure partners for a cleaner, more connected, and unforgettable riding experience. Akrapovic Full Moon Concept. The Akrapovic Full Moon Concept is a breathtaking fusion of automotive art and futuristic technology. Its lunar lander-inspired design, powered by a potent electric motor generating 261 horsepower and 350 Newton-meters of torque, propels it from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a mere 2.9 seconds. The lightweight carbon fiber and titanium chassis ensure exceptional handling, while the groundbreaking Sound of Silence exhaust system creates an unforgettable riding experience. Advanced features like adaptive lighting, kinetic energy recovery, an integrated touchscreen display, and customizable riding modes are seamlessly integrated alongside premium finishes. More than just a motorcycle, it represents a future where bikes are powerful, efficient, environmentally friendly, and emotionally engaging, offering a truly unforgettable experience. WMC250EV. The WMC250EV motorcycle is a high-performance and sustainable electric option, delivering an exhilarating riding experience without sacrificing power. With a sleek design, it's equipped with a mid-mounted electric motor, unleashing 250 horsepower and 350 Newton-meters of torque, propelling it from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.9 seconds. Designed for agility, its lightweight aluminum frame and advanced suspension system ensure a responsive ride. For safety and customization, the WMC250EV boasts a state-of-the-art Brembo braking system, Bosch ABS, and various riding modes. Advanced features like an integrated touchscreen display, kinetic energy recovery, and adaptive lighting round out the premium package. More than just a motorcycle, the WMC250EV symbolizes a future where bikes are both exciting and environmentally conscious, offering an unforgettable riding experience. BMW CE04. The BMW CE04 is an electric scooter that transforms urban mobility with its stylish design and powerful performance. Boasting a 42-horsepower electric motor, it accelerates rapidly from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in 2.6 seconds and offers a range of up to 130 kilometers. Packed with safety and convenience features like a flex-frame chassis, single-sided swing arm, and a 10.25-inch TFT display with built-in navigation, the CE04 excels. Premium touches, including LED lights, keyless operation, USB charging, Heated grips and ample storage enhance the ride with unparalleled comfort and convenience. More than a scooter, the BMW CE04 represents the future of exciting and desirable electric urban transportation. Yamaha Motoroid 2. The Yamaha Motoroid 2 is an innovative glimpse into the future of personal mobility, transcending the conventional motorcycle experience. Its core features include advanced AI technology for owner recognition and gesture response, eliminating the need for keys. The motorcycle excels in performance and stability with a powerful electric motor and Yamaha's active mass center control, AMSES technology, ensuring optimal weight distribution. Safety is a priority, with an intuitive AI system providing real-time warnings and enhancing rider assistance. More than just a vehicle, the Motoroid 2 becomes a personalized companion, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with intuitive human interaction, ushering in a new era of human-machine connection. TMC Dumont. The TMC Dumont motorcycle is a visionary masterpiece, transcending the conventional concept of motorcycles. Its radical design features an unleashed 300-horsepower, 6-cylinder Rolls-Royce Continental aircraft engine, propelling it forward with exhilarating force. Massive hub-less wheels and a lightweight aluminum frame contribute to its striking appearance and exceptional handling. Safety isn't compromised, with state-of-the-art Brembo brakes and advanced light-emitting diode lighting, ensuring stability and visibility. Beyond its raw power and performance, the Dumont showcases an unwavering commitment to luxury with handcrafted leather seating and meticulous finishes, emphasizing individuality and creating a truly unforgettable riding experience. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.